We're live at Onus Airdrop here, guys. It's currently ranked at 459 CoinMarketCap, 1.2 million watchlist of CoinMarketCap users. Market data is tracked. Okay, circulating supply has been verified. That's the blue tick Lego for. Okay, website is here, gonews.io. You can check it out for more research. Audit has been done by CETIC. It's an Ethereum smart contract. Smart chain contract. Then we have a time remaining for this airdrop. We have about 11 days. So each user will be getting up to 15 Onus tokens. So you want to multiply that. But the total pool of this airdrop is about $15. It's about $50,000. So if you're getting 15 times about 0.6 or just $1. So this is about a $10 airdrop for each user. So you want to take note of that. So Onus is participating in CoinMarketCap to give 50,000 rewards pool for this airdrop. Is going to be ending by March 20th. 75,000 Onus tokens for 5,000 winners. So that Onus, the easiest way to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and earn up to 12% APY on your deposit. So Onus is one of the most used cryptocurrency investment applications trusted by more than 2 million users from over 20 countries with a complete ecosystem of financial products, services that let you invest in digital assets on a daily basis. On how to participate in Onus CoinMarketCap Airdrop, first of all, add it to your watch list, follow them on Twitter, like retweet their pin post, tag at least 3 of your friends, but you can tag at least 100 if you have. It could increase your chances of being selected, guys. Then like, share, subscribe to their fan page, Instagram, YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys, too, so you get notified whenever we drop our beneficial updates. Then enter your Binance Smart Chain, claim the reward, and then pay in Winners Rice wallet after the distribution. So you feed the airdrop from and you're good to go. So learn more on how to create and import your Rice wallet. So guys, there's an also video on how to go about this here. So you want to take note of that. Adding to your watch list, very simple. Just click on this and make sure your watch is set at public. So once you're done with that, just come over here and submit your information. Join this airdrop. You're good to go. Peace out, guys. It's your boy Akahilz. See you in our future upload. Stay safe. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Peace out.